Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day. This video, very simple. I have a bunch of packages from various people that I want to unbox and also talk about a few different projects that are going to be coming to the channel here very soon. As you guys can see, my 20 GPU mining rig, I got some GPUs ready to install on this very soon, and I want to give you guys an update of just my whole crypto mining basement, my new mining location here. You guys just saw earlier, I'm in the middle of still kind of renovating, filling some holes, and then I gotta paint. Talk about that later. Anyways, I don't want to waste any of you guys' time. I'm gonna unbox everything right now. Luke, how dare you send me packing peanuts? They went everywhere. I was unboxing it sideways on the floor and then it just everywhere. Man, just terrible. Anyways, guys, I got a lot here. I got 3 mining cave frames. I got 3 AC Infinity 8-inch fans. I got a package from Mental Mining UK. I got also an LTT screwdriver. I got 24 6600 XTs. I got some DDR4 ECC RAM and 2 CPUs for my servers. We'll talk about that. And also a bunch of Siemens 30 amp breakers and this one tandem one here. Pretty interesting. And lastly, I have 200 feet of 10-2 cable, which we'll talk about, and I may need some help. So let's begin with first the LTT screwdriver I got from Kyle. Thank you, Kyle, for sending this to me, man. He is a viewer, subscriber. He emailed me. He's like, Red Panda, I want to send you an extra LTT screwdriver because he wanted to, and let's just open this up. I'm actually been wanting one of these for a while, and I did see they actually have different colored ones here, but this is the orange and black one. This is nice, man. Oh yeah, that ratcheting feels really nice. You guys know on my channel I always use the Klein multi-tool. I actually don't have one here. I think I lost it, but good thing I got this now. Kyle, man, thank you so much. This is gonna be really handy. I've always wanted one of these. I think they have the red and black one, but I think that's like a creator one. I don't think I'll be able to get one actually, but anyways, this is really cool. Thank you, Kyle, for the LTT screwdriver. All right, next one I got from Mr. Mental Mining UK and Crypto Cat mug. Dude, I love it, man. All right, let's read the note you also sent me here. Okay, it says, Dear Red Panda Mining, I hope you like the gifts I have sent you. You were one of the crypto mining YouTubers that got me into crypto mining and the inspiration to start my own YouTube channel. I hope one day I could strive to be as good of a content creator as you are. I would also appreciate if one day you wouldn't mind sub-bombing my channel. It would help my channel out a lot. Best wishes on your mining empire journey and life in general. Happy hashing, Mental Mining UK. P.S. I hope you like the box my missus chose for you as you don't like to reveal your face. Lol, happy face. Okay, Mental Mining UK, my friend. Everyone, please go subscribe to Mental Mining UK. I have him linked down below at the very top of the description. Please go sub bomb him. Let's get him to 10,000K subscribers. All right, get him there. Come on, guys. Mental Mining UK. I love the note, man. Okay, let's see. You also sent me this box. Okay, it says, hey you, I like your face. All right, I feel like this is gonna be one of those like prank, like unbox it and then like it takes a picture of me and like sends it through data plan or something like that. I saw some YouTube video. Look at this. You sent me some chocolates. Yes. I love it. Oh, some Starburst. Dude, oh, I love Starburst, man. Looks like you sent me some pens and whatnot as well. This is pretty cool. Look at that with your branding on it. I love it, man. Look at that. We got some Mental Mining UK keychain. Awesome. And stickers, of course. And oh, look at this. Oh, you got some bigger stickers here. Yes, I love it. Mental Mining UK looks great, man. And of course, looks like you sent me a banner. You know what? Let's open this up. Oh, this is gonna go great on my wall somewhere. I will choose a place. I think I've been running out of places actually, because I'm actually gonna be hanging Veteran Miner and also B-Digi Cryptos in another area once I have it all painted. Mental Mining UK, love the banner, man. Thank you so much. Thank you for the mug, and thank you for all the little gifts in here as well, man. That is so cool. Thank you to the misses as well. Awesome stuff. Guys, go subscribe to Mental Mining UK, link down below. Next part I unboxed here. I got a bunch of electrical stuff from Luke. Mr. Luke has sent me 12 30 amp 240 volt breakers. Okay, these are Siemens brand ones, which I believe, yeah, these fit into my current circuit panels I have now. Siemens circuit panels. I already have a couple of these already installed, and I'm gonna be installing a lot more circuits into these and into various places of my house here in the crypto mining basement. I will do that. We'll talk about that in another video, but also as well, a lot of 10 gauge wiring, because I need to do a lot of wiring, of course, right? And so Luke was able to get his electrical buddy, electrical supplier, wholesale pricing on this stuff. And in Canada here, this stuff is not cheap. I think 200 feet was about 400, 500 bucks Canadian. I think that's about 300 bucks USD. So I think he was able to get this for like less than 150 or 100 bucks or something. Plus the breakers were less than, I don't know, $9 or something each. And in Canada, they're like $40, $30 or something insane. And then he also sent me one of these like tandem 30 amp breakers. I've never seen one that's, you know, I've seen 15 amp ones before, but I have never seen a 30 amp like this tandem breaker here. I don't even know if this is going to fit or not into my circuit panel. I don't think it will, because I was looking at these other Siemens breakers, and it looks like they are, I don't know if you guys can tell or not. I don't know if that's the same or different. But anyone in the comments, let me know down below if you guys have seen a breaker like this. I guess it is, yeah, see, it's a little bit different. Looks like this is a little bit longer, so it looks like this may not fit into my circuit panel. But anyways, I will try that later on in another video. Okay, so Luke, thank you so much, man. Please, also, you gotta send me your like crypto address or PayPal or something. I gotta pay you back for all this, man. You still haven't given me an address. If you don't send it to me, I do have your return address. I'll mail you cash or something. Thanks again, Luke. And guys, stay tuned for an electrical video. I'm gonna have a lot of fun doing this stuff. All right, next stuff I got here. I got some DDR4 ECC RAM. These are 32 gig sticks. So I think altogether 128 gigs of RAM. And also 2 Xeon processors, E5 2667 V4s, 3.2 gigahertz CPUs. And so thank you to Mickey Miner, who sent me all these things here, as well as the GPU trade. We'll talk about that in a sec. But I'll tell you guys what these are for. These are for an HP server that I got from Mike Crypto, another prominent YouTuber. Sent me a server, but the CPU and RAM are not up to spec to what I want. And so Mickey Miner had extra CPUs and RAM. He's like, here, Red Panda, send it to you. I'm like, perfect, man. I'm gonna put in these servers. Plus, guys, stay tuned. I am working on one of the HP servers right now. We're gonna try to install VMware version 8. If that doesn't work, I don't know, because of the configuration, the CPUs, the SFP plus, the NICs, as well as the RAID controller. Hopefully that is all compatible. If not, I'm probably gonna have to use version 7. So stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna have like 20 videos of doing my servers, setting them all up, and I've actually started on adding in my server rails for my rack. And Retro Mike, look at this. I had a little bit of an issue here because of shipping, of course. This is not because of you, but I was not able to put on the last server rail because it looked like it got majorly damaged and it wouldn't fit. So I got to get some pliers or something, and got a little bit bent in shipping. But otherwise, I think it looks to be just fine. I can bend that back easily. So then I'll have those 3 HP servers here. I'm gonna be using VMware. I'm gonna be making a cluster. high availability, all that kind of stuff here. So guys, stay tuned for those server videos. That's gonna be a lot of fun, really. It's been a long time coming. This is something I've wanted to do for a long time. Okay, let's talk about the GPUs. I have 24 6600 XTs. So for these 6600 XTs, I traded my Jasminer X4 1U, X4Q, two 3070 Ti's, one 3070, and a CK Box 2 for 24 6600 XTs, and this is going to coincide with the mining cave frames I just ordered here. 3 of these guys, which I actually have another one that's going to make 4 tower high, because some of you guys may know I am going to be making another 24 GPU tower, and we're going to be mining a bunch of different coins. And actually, I may be changing it up. I may be mining 16 different coins. I may split up each rig that we can do 2 different mining software on each rig in HiveOS and mine 16 different coins and keep track of all 16 at the same time. I may be scrapping this setup I did here, not scrapping it, but scrapping the testing that I've been mining Casbah, Radiant, and Neoxa and Ravencoin on these 4 rigs already. I may stop that, and then once I do have another mining cave frame here with 5700s. I'm gonna take these out, put 6 6600 XTs in there, and then the other 3 here will complete the second mining cave tower with all 6600 XTs, and we'll be doing some fun tests of just mining 16 different coins or a couple different strategies, and we can see which one will do better long term. I'll keep track of everything, and I think that should be pretty fun. All right, so look at this. This is a XFX 6600 XT. This is a quick one. I've never had one of these models before. This is really nice and really heavy too. All right, you know what? I think I'm just gonna see if it fits, and I just wanted to see what it looks like in the mining frame. Yeah, take a look at that. So they're all not the same 6600 XTs. There are a couple that are the same, but they're gonna be mixed matched on the rigs. That's fine. So anyways, stay tuned for those videos. Thank you, Mickey Miner. Guys, go subscribe to Mickey Miner, link down below. He's an up and coming YouTuber. We'd really appreciate it. Link down below. Okay, then lastly, I have 3 AC Infinity fans here. Thank you to Fruits and Associates. He sent me 3 inline fans because he's also sending me 3 of his fan shrouds for ASIC miners. One for a K7, L7, and I believe for an S19 XP. So actually, Chump Change already did an amazing video on an L7 kit, and the whole point is to basically decrease the sound, the noise, because you all know ASIC fans, especially the Bitmain ones, are super loud, and so going with this method will decrease the dB level, of course, and also power consumption, apparently, because those Bitmain fans sometimes take up to 200, 300 watts, and so this AC Infinity fan, I'm really curious to know if it's gonna work in my location here with those 3 ASICs. So guys, stay tuned. Those shrouds are coming. I'm gonna have multiple videos testing that out. But in the meantime, go watch Chump Change XD. He's got an amazing video utilizing inline fan, and Fruit and Associates. I believe it's 3D printed as well. The fan shroud, which looks like a car manifold. Looks awesome. So Fruits and Associates, thank you so much for sending me these 3. Can't wait to do that to my ASICs, and we'll try it out, see how much power we save. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. That's the unboxing video. Thank you everyone who has sent me stuff. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you for the LTT screwdriver, man. I really appreciate it, man. This is really nice. This is really nice. Thank you, Luke, for the electrical stuff here. I needed to run more 30 amp circuits, man. I really appreciate it. Please let me know what your PayPal is, crypto address, whatever. I need to pay you for this, okay? I need to pay you for this. Thank you, Mining Cave, for my 3-frame order. Looks like you guys put in free risers, and also the 3D printed, I forgot to show these, but these are to pretty much interlink the frames together, which I already have on the other tower as well already. Thank you, Mickey Miner, for the server, RAM, and also the CPUs. This is gonna make all the 3 servers the same. I love it. Hopefully I'll be able to run a Nimbus node on these processors. Should be able to, they're V4s, as well as the GPU trade man, the 6600 XTs. Stay tuned, guys, on his channel when he receives my Jazz miners and GPUs for this trade, guys. He's gonna have a video unboxing those. Thank you, Mental Mining UK, for the banner and also the little gift with the chocolates and pens and swag and the mug and the lovely humbling letter, man. I really appreciate it. Also, thank you to Fruits and Associates for the 3 AC Infinity fans. That is just insane. Stay tuned for those videos. Okay, seriously, I appreciate the whole community. I am I am just overwhelmed. All of you guys really shower me with all these gifts and fun stuff that I could truly never imagine that I would be able to do. And I'm truly thankful for all of you. All of the camaraderie I've had with all of you guys that have interacted with the whole community, I love it. This is something I would never change for anything else. And to all the viewers and subscribers, everyone, you guys are the ones who made me to where I am today. I couldn't have done it without all of you guys, even all the other crypto mining YouTubers. This is truly all because of you guys. You guys are all awesome. Thank you so much. Okay, I'll see you all in the next video. A lot of projects, a lot of videos to come. I wish I had more of me to help me do all this. Wire, stay tuned. We're gonna have a video. I need some help figuring out how I'm gonna be running wire to that first single car garage I showed you guys in the beginning. All right, I'll see you all in the next one. Have a good one. Peace out. Love this, man. Love this screwdriver. Feels really good. Feels really good.